Renowned Nigerian singer Peter Okoye breaks silence after testifying against his brother Jude Okoye in court. It's worth noting that Jude Okoye is being embroiled in a highly publicized lawsuit over money laundering allegations filed by Peter Okoye. However, during a court petition on April 14, 2025, Peter Okoye testified against his brother, sparking buzz online. In a recent development, the singer has broken his silence, sharing a cryptic post. In a recent tweet on X, formerly known as Twitter, Peter Okoye stated that as an individual, no one should allow family to be a burden, citing his 20-year experience. He emphasized prioritizing mental health, citing the qualities of a true family. His tweet reads, "Don't let family be the reason you are drowning in silence. I did for over 20 years plus, and it almost cost me everything. But now I know better. Love does not manipulate, loyalty does not betray, and family does not steal from you. Family that steals and breaks you isn't family at all. Real family does not drain you. Shame on you, discriminate against you, or ignore your pain. My sanity matters. My mental health is a priority. If it costs me my mental health, then it's so expensive." While the words embedded in this post has sparked a lot of reactions online, what do you feel? You can drop your opinion in the comment box section below as we continue to keep you updated. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.